Hi, this is Unreal. Hope you guys are doing well. Many of you guys may be facing this issue like local disk C is constantly using your hard disk space. You don't even know what's eating up all those spaces, right? You have tried everything. You have tried cleaning up the temporary file, cleaning up the caches, and organizing your files, yet you don't know what's going on. You are unable to find the issue. Like me, I was struggling with this issue for like last 2 3 months. I don't know, whenever I clean my PC, it's still getting space is still getting eaten up. I don't know what's the cause behind it. Okay, today I'm going to show you a simple yet effective solution for this. For this, just you have to download this file called TreeSize Free. Okay, download it and install it. It will show you the C drive path and what is exactly in it. You can check it manually, what's the data in it. You can and check which is necessary for you. You can keep him or delete him from the you can check the directory here. Like, see, in the roaming file I have like 16.2 GB. Maybe I don't know need those data. I can delete them. Let's see, within local it has 7.7 and Autodesk has 2.7 GB data. Yes, okay. In Apple computer, mobile sync eating up to 12.7 GB. So let's delete those. In my case, I'm doing what exactly I can do. I am shifting those files to another file, another folder, sorry, in another drive. So you can see if I refresh now, my space is again increasing. By clearing or moving those files which are important to you, you can increase your speed of data. And from this software, Resize free software, which is absolutely free, you can download it from the website from this called gemsoftware.com. I'll put the link in the description below, and hopefully it will help you. And if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe, and please share it. Thank you. Have a good day.